freestyle, we're talking about a pot full of color, a pot full of taste, a pot full of vibes. We're talking about our curry chicken foot. Nice and delicious freestyle, as you can see for yourself. Guys, it doesn't get any better than this. Look at that. Nice and rich, nice and thick, and it's just a complete vibe. Now guys, my curry chicken foot is now completed, as you can see for yourself. And over here guys, to go with our curry chicken foot, we have some white rice steaming down nice and lovely. Hey my freestyle nation, welcome back to the channel guys, welcome back. As seen in the title below guys, it's all about some curry chicken foot and bean with some white rice, the orange freestyle. But before we get into the video freestyle, we just check out the intro and we just get into it, you know the vibes, freestyle.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Harangue Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Yes, freestyle nation. So the first thing you want to do guys, first thing you want to cut the toes off the chicken foot, right? And then you want to cut the chicken foot in two. If you're cooking the chicken foot with the toes on it, that's a red flag right there. That's no good. And if you're cooking the chicken foot just whole like that, that's a red flag right there like that. You're supposed to cut the chicken foot in two. I hate to see those big long chicken foot in the pot. So what I'm going to do now freestyle, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wash my chicken foot with some vinegar. So freestyle right here are the recipe for my curry chicken foot, and as you can see guys, I have my chicken foot right here already washed and clean, and the recipe guys goes as follow. Right here I'm using curry powder, and my curry powder of choice is the Better Pot curry. That is the best curry on the market. Right here we have some chicken season, we have some meat season, we have some all-purpose season, we have some black pepper. So those are the spices I'll be using for my curry chicken foot. And guys, also my natural season, we're using onion, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, bell pepper, carrot, and a piece of Irish. And on the side freestyle we have our beans. I'm using 2 cans of bean, glazed butter bean. Then I'm using Caribbean rhythm brand also. So I will now go ahead and start the preparation of my seasoning up of my curry chicken foot. So first and foremost freestyle, we're gonna go in with some chicken seasoning. And guys, as for the chicken seasoning guys, you could use like about 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning on your chicken foot. But I know the measurement, so I'm not gonna use no measurement this time around, alright? But as for you, if you're new to the kitchen or whatever, you could use 1 teaspoon. And for the meat season, I'm using a teaspoon also. And you wanna put a small amount of black pepper. You know, black pepper gives the meat a nice look of flavor. And as for my curry freestyle, I think I should have one in the cupboard that is already open. I'm going to use that one. As for my curry, we're going to go in with 2 teaspoons of curry. Because we love when the curry rich, nice and thick, alright? I have some seasoned to the bone spices. It's a mixture of spices. So we're going to put ½ teaspoon of seasoned to the bone spice. Then you know we can't go curry freestyle. I want to have the good old pimento berries. So I'm going to put a few grains of the pimento in it. Now you want to massage your spices in. Now freestyle, I'm going to go in with a piece of scallion. As some scallion, guys, I just cut them up in pieces. That is it. Now we're also going to go in with a piece of thyme. Then we're going to go in with a piece of scotch bonnet pepper. We're also going to go in with a piece of onion freestyle. You know at freestyle is all about the flavor, it's all about the taste. We're going to go in with a piece of onion, of course. And that is it. So we're going to massage everything together now. And guys, the smells of the curry combined with the other spices, the thyme, the scallion, the onion, the pimento berries, and the smells you get from this is just a complete vibe. This time, I'm gonna prep my natural season. I'm gonna leave it aside. I'm gonna at least let the chicken foot cook at least half cook. Then we're gonna put our Irish, our bell pepper, some more scallion, some more onion, and our beans and everything else in it. So just stay tuned. Freestyle, curry chicken foot and white rice, the Orain freestyle way. You know the vibe. So freestyle, it's now time to start the cooking process. And right here, guys, I'm using virgin olive oil. And as for your oil freestyle, I don't want to put too much oil in the pot, even though I'm using the olive oil. Very good oil, very healthy oil. I'm just going to use a small amount of olive oil. And just to grease the bottom of the pot. And on that note, guys, let me just pause to say maximum respect to all my viewers and all my subscribers. Guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. And I just want to extend my love and my gratitude to all my viewers and all my subscribers. We're getting there. We went to 4K subs, and without you guys, it wouldn't have been possible. So, big up on the side of Freestyle Nation on the know the vibes, freestyle. Now, guys, after having my oil hot, what I'm gonna do now, freestyle, I'm gonna put a small amount of curry in the oil to burn. Nice and lovely. Guys, the smells of the better pot curry, just forget about it, it's a complete vibe. Now it's time for us to go ahead, guys, and put our chicken foot in the pot. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Freestyle Nation, the smells of the chicken foot in the pot is just a complete vibe. I'm going to give you a close-up and you see what's going on for yourself. So freestyle, our curry is looking nice and lovely, nice and pretty, nice and delicious. And we're going to cover the pot and then we're going to leave it to cook for probably like about 3 minutes. Then we're going to add some water to it. So just stay tuned, freestyle, you know the vibe. Freestyle, I almost forgot to put some garlic in my pot. I don't cook without garlic, so I'm going to add some garlic. We're going to give it a stir, and then we're going to cover it, freestyle, and just make our chicken foot just cook the right and proper way. You know the vibes. Now freestyle, while our chicken foot is being cooked, it's now time for me to go ahead and start the preparation of my white rice. And guys, my rice of choice as always is the royal basmati rice. This rice is very tasty, it's very delicious, it's very rich. So freestyle in the meantime and between time, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start the preparation of my rice. My rice is already washed and it's on the stove. I'm gonna put a spoon of butter. Then I'm gonna crush a piece of scallion. Crush a piece of scallion, a piece of thyme. Put it in. Then some salt. And that's it for our rice. Now let's see what's going on for our chicken foot. Freestyle, this smells so good. Guys, I must tell you, freestyle, it's a complete vibe going on right here. Smelling nice and delicious. And I must tell you guys, the aroma from this chicken foot is just unbelievable. So freestyle, it's now time for us to add our natural season to our curry chicken foot, guys. And as you can see, guys, it's coming along nice and lovely. And here are my natural season, guys, as always, nice and colorful. You know, at freestyle we cook with love, and love is colorful. Adding our natural season, our bell pepper, carrots, scallion, thyme, onion, scotch bonnet pepper. So basically, guys, we're giving the pot a double dose because we already seasoned it before, and now we're adding some more season. So after adding our season, guys, we're going to stir. And as I always said, guys, nothing like a colorful pot. You can't take the boring pot, them guys. My food have to have like a color in it, like a vibes and all them things. So I just love my pot colorful and full of taste and full of flavor. You know the vibes. So freestyle, I'm now going to cover the pot and I'm going to allow my natural season to cook the right and proper way along with our curry chicken foot. Then after that, we're going to add our bean, and then we should be completed. So freestyle nation, in the meantime and between time, guys, it's now time for us to add our butter bean. I'm gonna open it up, and then we're gonna throw off the water. Might just use one bean for now, even though I love beans. So it's now time for us to go ahead, guys, and add our beans. Guys, this is just very delicious, very tasty, and I might just put one bean. I don't want to be overcrowded with the bean, but guys, as for now, it's looking very tasty, very delicious. Let me give you a close up. You see what's going on for yourself. You'll be the judge of this beautiful recipe. Curry chicken foot and bean or rain freestyle way. So just come on in and take a look, freestyle. Now freestyle nation, tell me the honest truth. You wanna eat some of this? Tell me the honest truth, guys. You wanna eat some of this curry chicken foot and bean served with white rice? Guys, it's gonna be a complete vibe. Over here my white rice is coming along nice and lovely, nice and steamy, as you can see for yourself. And the curry chicken foot over this side I go and simmer down. So just stay tuned, freestyle nation. We're almost there, so just stick and stay. In the meantime, guys, if you haven't tell subscribers yet, just hit that subscription button. Join the freestyle nation, you know the vibes. Now freestyle, I'm gonna cover my pot and we're gonna allow it to just sit there and cook the right and proper way. I'm gonna probably give my chicken foot like about 4 more minutes, then we should be completed. So freestyle, in the meantime and between time, the chicken foot are going to simmer down. Come over here, so. Now we're going to take a drink of something. Some salsa drum cream. That is it. Cheers, viewers and subscribers. So freestyle, after having this drink, we're going to check it back on the pot. Let's see what is going on for it. By the way, guys, cheers. Art of love, love and love alone. Freestyle. It's about time for us to check back on the pot to see what is going on for our curry chicken foot and bean, white rice, the orange freestyle way. I'm going to take 2 more sips of my rum cream. Then it's time for us to check in on the pot now freestyle. So let's see what's going on in the pot. Now freestyle, we're talking about a pot full of color, a pot full of taste, a pot full of vibes. We're talking about our curry chicken foot, nice and delicious freestyle, as you can see for yourself. Guys, it doesn't get any better than this. Look at that. Nice and rich, nice and thick, and it's just a complete vibe. Now guys, my curry chicken foot is now completed, as you can see for yourself. And over here guys, to go with our curry chicken foot, we have some white rice steaming down nice and lovely. So freestyle, it's just a complete vibe, and the aroma that comes from this pot, guys, just make you wanna dive into it. Curry chicken foot and bean, the orange freestyle way. You know the vibes. Freestyle. Now Freestyle Nation, here you have it. Dinner is now served, and we're talking about some curry chicken foot and bean served with some white rice, some lettuce on the side, and freestyle is just a complete vibe. Nice and delicious, nice and colorful, nice and tasty. Now freestyle is now time for me to just dive into this colorful dish and enjoy to the fullest. Guys, if you're here for the first time, guys, please just hit the subscription button and join the Freestyle Nation. You know the vibe. Over here, it's all about the recipe, the culture, you name it. So stick and stay freestyle. I appreciate the support. Keep on supporting the movement. Big up on yourself. Freestyle on a wet rainy Sunday afternoon like this. What more could you ask for? We're talking about a plate full of color, a plate full of taste, a plate full of curry chicken foot and bean served with white rice. It's the vibes, guys. Until next time, guys. Catch in the next one, you know the vibes. Remember, guys, to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Big up on yourself. After love, love, and love, and love. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Like, share, and comment. If you haven't subscribed as yet, the subscription button, join the movement. Freestyle.